I'm gonna do a quick video on the ATM. So, doesn't everybody have an ATM in their kitchen? Okay, so yeah, let's open up Slice Wallet here and show you. This is the latest build. There you go. So this is on iOS. This is version 1.3.0. This is like 3 months old. Okay, 3 months old. So here's an ATM that coin doesn't exist on. So receiving address, right? Bada bing, I'm gonna buy, take that address, hold it up to here. There it goes. Okay, set that down for a second. Take my cash. Okay, so look at the phone, nothing on it. Look at the date and time. Look at the price. This price has a fee on it, okay? Watch what happens when I press buy. Look at that. It just went through. Done. If I refresh that, it's probably too small because it's less than $1 to show, but yeah. I'll go do $5. Hang on a second.